We are live trading binary option. So if you see this as a recording, you probably are not subscribed to my channel or you have not turned the bell notification on. So make sure you do that. Okay. Also, it's more fun to follow these live sessions if you have the program using, so make sure you use the link below the video. Now, for the ones that are coming into my live session, thank you so much for being here, and let's make some money. I will now just make sure that everything is in order and we will get started. So just bear with me while I do so. Just setting up also my tablet here now so I can follow the chat. And there, let me see. And yes. And Craig, good morning for you. And good morning, Eternal. Good to see you both here already. Sorry that I did not have the second live session yesterday. Basically something came up, so I was not able to. But we are going to do today. Now, let's see here now if we can get started. Quant, we are not trading today, it's just 63%. Is all so small? Let's see. Because if we don't earn anything with cryptocurrencies, let me see. Doge, we are not trading. Bitcoin, we are not trading. Let's go down. Ripple, we can trade, and Solana. Okay, so then today it will be Ripple and Solana. Let's open both these two. And Solana. Okay. Right away, we can see here on Solana. Let's change this first to 100. Solana is a pair that moves very fast, so be very careful. Let's figure out where we want to be. And we see we have a small slope of trend upwards. I think the best one will be in the bottom here, so I think we can go clearly there. For now, I don't see an area we can put in the top. So for now, let's mark the area in the bottom. That's an area that we are interested to trade. But for now, we can't be trading here now. We need maybe some confirmation in the top before we can be trading here. But currently, Solana we need to put to the side. Let's close this too also. Let's take a look at Ripple. By the way, did any of you two be trading? And if there anyone else live, make sure also you push the like button. This is something that helped me tremendously and get more people into my live session. More people that come into my live sessions, more fun it is for me to do this. Now in the top, we are going to activate there. We make a red line there. We put 30 seconds. Let's go. Let me just think there. I'm a little on the fence. This one closed pretty high, but let's take it there for now. Let's see if we maybe move it a little more up. This one I have it ticked after the last pin there of this resistance. So I'm not sure. Maybe we need to move it a little more up, but let's try there first. Let's see if we can get a win on Ripple very early on. I'm ready to take a trade on this red line. Let's see. Ooh, almost. And here's the thing I do. If I see this bar go up to the red line and I see it continue, I try not to push the button before I see he start to go back. And if he go too high, I don't take a trade. So that's the only, sometimes you'll see me do that. That's something that is, I understand, you can take the trade directly online, you will have a big enough win rate, but it's something that can give you a little smaller edge. But that you need a little more experience for it. So it's completely fine to take a trade on the lines you set up. But when you start to get this into your trading, it can give a small extra edge. So you might see me do that a few times through this session. Hopefully not, because if not, that means we have a much higher win rate also, all of us. Yesterday, I think actually from everyone that was trading, I did the worst. After what I did see from the chat, looks like everyone did better than me, and that is something make me very happy. When all of you make money more than I do, that is something I like to see. But yes, we did quite good yesterday. I think totally with the cash back I had saved up, I think I made like 600 something in profit. I don't remember exactly the number, but it was pretty good. So let's see if we can continue or make even better today. That is super amazing, Eternal. I'm very happy when I start to see that you all start to trade a little by yourself also, and that is amazing. And it's good to see that a simple way of trading just like this works for you all. Because one thing I can tell you, indicators do not work. Not at all. All indicators are lagging indicators, and we are trading on 1 minute or 2 minutes or whatever you want to do. You basically, it's like a coin toss. So do not use indicators. This is a stupid simple way to trade, and it's a proven way. Like everyone knows that most of the time in support and resistance, you more than yeah, you can just zoom out and you can see when you're in a resistant area. You see that many times he will try before he break it. He will of course eventually break one support and resistance, but he will try a few times. That's why you have a good win rate. Okay. So of course he will break this one time, of course, but he will need a few tries, like you see here now. He has tried many times and he have not broken it. That means we can capitalize on all the times he tried to break it. So it's a very simple way of trading that actually works. And I'm sure everyone that is following me and have trading together with me for a while, they can confirm that. Now let's wait and see. We are ready up here. We have not traded Ripple for a long time on the OTC market. We all know how OTC works. If you don't know the difference between normal market and OTC, just write in the chat and I will explain it. I have told before that for now, as we have so few people online and we are not trading with so big amounts, if some of you start to trade with $1,000, then let me know, then we will change. But as for now, we are not controlling the market even on the broker basis. But when we start to be a little bigger, we start to have more people, yes, we need to move away from OTC, so we stay on the normal market, because on normal market we will never dominate the market, but we can dominate the market on broker basis. And the day we do that, we will start to be losing a lot. That's why, for example, Doge looks like no one is trading Doge. You see me staying away from Doge. Every time I take a trade on Doge, I lose. So that means I am dominating the market on Doge. But I didn't take a trade there, it was too slow. And I did take a trade there. Now let's see how this will play out. Let's see. We have now 20 seconds. He's really pushing hard up. I'm not counting my losses yet, but let's see. 10, 9, 8. Looks like we are losing the first trade of the day. I never like to lose the first trade, but we did. So that was bad. Then we put in minus $100 in my calculator. We will be worrisome. I did see much movement. It's normal when they come to this region here, but we need to be worrisome. It's up here. We have not traded so much, and we need to be careful that it's not one that we are dominating. I've seen with Binance and with Ethereum Classic, we have done very good. So we need to be careful with some of these other pairs, because maybe as I'm trading with $100, maybe I have the higher bid and I will always lose. So with OTC, we always need to be worrisome. If we see that it's obvious losses, we need to stay away from it. That's why, for example, on the currency market, there are so many currencies here. There are so many currencies. I always trade non-OTC, just to make sure. And today there are quite many good ones here, so let's bring up some of them. Australian dollar against Canadian. We have a beautiful one here already. Let's mark it up. Let's take a horizontal line there. We take our red line. I will easily take a 1 minute trade up there. And yes, it looks like we all lost that one. Yeah, OTC, like I was trying to explain, OTC is basically, they try to follow the original price of a currency as good they can, but it's basically, we can say, the casino always win. OTC is the same thing. Basically then, let's say 10 people is doing a trade on Ripple, for example, on OTC. Okay, let's say 9 of them take a bid up, okay, with $10 each, and then I come in with a $100 trade. So then they have $90, and I do a $100 trade, and I do the opposite direction. Then these 9 people will win because the broker will see that they will make more money losing my trade instead of taking their trades. So an OTC market is basically a broker always win. Okay, the reason we can win on it because we trade very different. So I have seen on Binance Coin and on Ethereum Classic have worked perfectly on OTC, and we make a lot of money because we get more money trading OTC. Okay, because the broker knows that they can make much money on the OTC. Now the non-OTC, like you see here now in Australian dollars Canadian, is basically just following the bars that is correct as you will see on Forex. That have nothing to do with the broker. The bars will just move as they normally would have done. So the broker is not controlling it. So that's the difference between OTC and the normal. We have done, like I said, very good on 2 pairs at least, Binance Coin and on Ethereum Classic on OTC, because it's a very traded pair on this broker. But like I said before, when we start to have enough people, or I start to trade with much higher amount, then we will start to control the market on the broker basis, and we will start to lose money. Like you see right away, I did take a trade now on Ripple. You did see he was already playing, but he did then shoot up like crazy, so I lost the trade. So maybe Ripple we can trade. We are going to follow and maybe take a more trade up here, to see if it's if same thing happen again, then we know for sure we stay away from Ripple. So let's just follow and see. So that is basically OTC. Okay, but like I said, we have done very good on 2 pairs at least. That is Binance Coin and Ethereum Classic. I hope that was a good enough explanation for the difference between OTC and normal market. So that is basically the same for every binary option broker. Everyone have a OTC market. Like for example, if you say trade in Saturday and Sundays, there are basically no option for other, because the Forex market is down. You can trade normal with currencies in the weekend only. Okay. Me personally, I have tried a few times on any broker to trade in Sundays. I have never been successful. Looks like very few people are trading in Sundays, and as I trade with a little bigger amounts, I always lose when I'm in brokers. So you will never see me trade in Sundays again. I have tried that a little in the past, but it's not good. Okay. Now let's follow these ones here. Let's see if we can get in some more trades. For now, I don't see anything. Ripple, I'm a little worrisome here now, and we should be, because I did not like the movement we got, but also that can just be a convenience. So let's follow and see. Now let's see. Now this should turn resistant, and he will continue down, so we will not trade Ripple for a little while. By the way, here we are in the middle. I don't have a clear area here in the top we can trade just yet. Let's check Australian Canadian. Okay. Oh, let's see. Would I take a trade on here? Let me take a look. Do not. I think I will take a trade on there. Let me mark it so it's fair for everyone. Let's make that one green. And if you come down there now, one more time, I was too slow the first. Go for slow again. I'm ready, but he's moving very fast. Okay, now let's follow and see. We lost our first trade, let's hope the second will go better. Right now we are getting a very good movement up, I like it. Seems like this will be a winner for me, but we are still early in the trade. Let's check the node appears while we're waiting, because it's 1 minute. We see it here. Okay, here's something strange have happened. Let's reset the chart. Let's see. Okay, I don't know what this is. This is just... Is this on your screen also for Solana? Like this crazy bar here. Makes zero sense for me. I think we just closed this one all over. This was just crazy. Let's go back here now. And we won that one. Cool. Then let's just put that into the calculation first before we see how things looks like. I will now move my line down a little. I'll move it to the bottom of this bar we see here now, and we'll go in again if you get down. Oh, he moved too fast for me, but now I'm holding back. Yeah, now he's breaking down. Let's stay away from this one for a while. Move it all over here. That's the thing. Sometimes when you see he break fast and you don't manage to push fast enough, then just keep away. Don't take a trade just to take a trade. Then if you break too much your line, it's better not take a trade. Let's continue to see if we find something else. Let's take this one. Here in the top, I do like it. That's there. We see every time he come up to that region, he closed the bar within 1 minute, so it's good. Let's take our red line there. We should be good up there. Scroll on the numbers. Maybe you're correct. Let me do that. Maybe I learned something here also now. Let's see, Solana. Okay, maybe that was the thing. Oh, thank you for that. See, I'm learning things also, and that I love that when we have these live sessions. It's not just me that is teaching. I can learn things also, so that is nice. Now let's see. We do have some resistance here now, so probably he will start to move down from here. I don't see another clear area that I'm willing to be trading down here. So let's open, let's put that one all over there. Let's open one more. Let's see if we can find something better to trade. New Zealand dollar. That one is really trending downwards. Let's take a look at these trends. Look this trend on. It's a clear, strong trend downwards. So here, wow, for a very long time actually, he have been trending downwards. So here, obviously, we should only go for sell trades. Let's take one there. Let's go for that. Let's take a horizontal line around this region here. Let's make it red. If we get up there, we will easily take a sell trade. We see that it's working with us here now. It's just going downwards. So dollar is doing strong compared with New Zealand dollar right now. Of course, this is on 1 minute, so this will not show that much. If it was on a 1 hour, that would not be a so huge move, but at least on the 1 minute looks big. By the way, I am considering, I have not yet started with 2 live sessions, but I'm considering even a third. A third would be with Forex, but I have not had so much people had interest about Forex till now. But if I can start to have some type of interest about Forex, that is something I do. By the way, I do trade Forex daily myself, and I could easily make a live session about it, because it's something I have a big passion about, and the win rate is same like we have with binary option, but it's something more peaceful. We can take our time, mark it up, set up the trades. It's something that I have a big passion about. So if it's something you all want to do together with your binary option trading, you are free to do so. Then let me know. You can write in the chat now, or you can write below some of my videos or something. Just show me that are interested about it, then I will consider it. Okay, that is nice to see, at least you too. That is good. Because yeah, I do, by the way, trade Forex, so for me it wouldn't basically be no different. They will be basically just like this, but I will go through the Forex pairs I trade typically. And normally I found around 2, 3, 4 trades a day I do when it comes to Forex. But then I will explain everything how I think, and instead of me just thinking it, I will explain it. So it's something I have found often. Like for example, I had I think 13 losses with the binary option through my 1.5 year been trading live. But these days I have been losing. I have earned more with Forex, so I think I have not had a lost day yet. That's the thing. No, I'm lying. I think I had a losing day, a Sunday I was trading live. I think it was one of the last Sundays. Actually, it was the last Sunday I had live trading. I lost, and then of course there are no Forex. So yes, it's one day I had a pure loss day. So that's the thing. When you add Forex together in the mix, is something that can make so you even can stabilize your money more. Because if you want to be doing these things full time and basically work like I do, you need to have more foot to stand on. Yes, you can easily make the money you need with binary option when you start to trade stable, but the problem is that you will the emotions you start to get when you start to get, for example, like me here now, I got my first loss, so the first trade of the day was a loser, and you always have back in the mind that I need to earn this and this every single day, and this will mess up with your trading. So it's always good to add a few other things like Forex, like affiliate. Also, if you have interest about affiliate, let me know, because it's something I also do. Like me, for example, in a way, I'm also doing affiliate now when I do these live sessions and when I make videos, because you'll always hear me say, use the link below the video. Yes, you gain something by using my links, but I also gain something. I earn something every time you trade. I earn a small percent of the trade you do. Okay, a very small percent. But the thing is, better you do. Like if you come in with $1,000, for example, and you lose it in one trade, basically I earn nothing on you. It's not my interest. I know there are many YouTubers that they choose the option that they get a percent of what you lose. I don't want that. I want my subscribers to make money. So I would not make money if you did follow my trades, because when you follow my trades, you are typically making money. Okay. So I have set up everything so I make a small percent every time you do a trade. So more trades you do, yes, I make money. That is how I make money from this type of videos also. First of all, you keep me company because I will trade by the way. Second of all, yes, I do make a small percent every time you take a trade also when you have used my links. So thank you for that. So that is how it make it a little more interesting for me. And of course, when we start to be more people live and things like this, yes, to be open, I do make some money with your trading. So that's also something you could consider. You don't need to make videos for that. You can find other ways to promote your links and things like this. Don't need to be with Forex and binary option. That can be for anything else. There are many good affiliate programs that you can run, and there are very easy ways you can promote them, and also easy ways to build up newsletter. Yes, newsletter still works even today. I've been using it for I don't know how many years now. Start to be crazy many years since I started with newsletter. It was early 2000 I started, so I would say at least 20 years I've been doing newsletter, and it still works. I tried many other things like WhatsApp. That was a failure. People don't open nothing, so WhatsApp did not work. Telegram, I have not had the success there either. I tried to build up there also, did not work. So if you want to know what is working and what things like that work or do not work, is something I also can be talking about. But that will not be in this type of live sessions. I just say it now because it's good, like I said in the start, it's good to have many foots to stand on, because that will make you a better trader, because you don't need to have the emotions so high on each and every trade you do. If you want to do this professional means that you do this full time. Okay, now I talked enough about that. Let's continue. This did take very long time. Let's go back to Solana to see what's going on here. I think I like this region, but we are very far away from it right now, so let's check Ripple. Okay, this one we can, I do not see any place. Let's change this color. Basically I don't see nothing. I don't even see a place I'm considering. Let's check Australian dollar against Canadian. Down here could be interesting. Let's take a look there. It is, I think, it looks like here it's stabilizing, so if you can get down there again, that could be something. Let's change this for a green color. There, that would be nice. Let me just check how our ratio is with likes in this live session we have right now. Okay, we have 5 likes. Thank you so much. That is pretty good. I see only 9 people have been into this live session, so 5 out of 9, that is good. So thank you so much for that. That helps me tremendously. More likes we get, that is good for me, because more people get in, more fun it is for me to do these type of things. Now let's see. Okay, obviously here was not good either. I don't know where this happened when we made the line. If any of you are taking a trade here, let me know. We could maybe have one down here. I want to make it a blue at least, to see if he stopped here. Let's see that. Currently we have not done so many trades, just 2 trades for me. This area might be interesting. Now when we see that, we see a very strong downwards trend, so I will be very worrisome to take a trade in bottom, but we are very far from the trend line, so I think maybe this region looks to be good. Let's mark it at least, and let's follow. I want to see where he stops. Right here looks nice compared with this one here, so let's zoom in and see. We see that this region is good. There, I've locked at it. If we get down there again, I'll take it. Let's see. I'm ready. Almost. And I'm in. Ooh! Wow, that was a big... that was like a lag like I have never seen before. I did push, and I think it was like 4 seconds before the trade was taken. I'm not sure how good my entry got. When I did push the button, should have been good, but I have no idea how good my entry is. So let's see. This would put us in the green with a win here now. Let's see. I'm very curious to see this. The problem, I don't know how good my entry is because the lag was so huge. Now we need to wait more 18 seconds. Currently he's pushing down there now. Come on now, give me a win, I need it. I need a win now, more than anything. That hurt actually. Okay, but we got a win. My god, this time when I knipped my finger it didn't hurt. Oh yeah, don't do that again. Okay, so then we are in the green. We are now $56 in profit. Let me zoom in here now. Let's move our green line just a little bit down. And we'll take one more down there. Let's see. I'm in. Did not get the best entry this time either, but at least the lag was good. I think it was like a half second from I did push the button till I got the trade. Now let's see if we can turn our winner here also. By the way, have any of you taken trades on this pair? Let me know. We at least got one win here now and hopefully a second one. I think this the entry I think is around here. Okay, if we break now then it will be bad of course. Let's see. If you're considering taking a trade here now, you should stay away because he have broken the line already. Might be a fake out. That's what only thing I can hope for now, but it's just 7 seconds left, so I'm not. Oh, come on now. No, I lost that one. Okay, then we are in the red again. I'm $44 just, so not that much. Okay, by the way, Internal, that was a good thing for you that you got logged out. And Craig, that means you have 2 losers, is that correct? I have 2 winners and 2 losers, but my profit is not a profit. I am basically $44 in minus today, so no, I'm not going to trade here now. As we got this long bar down, let's put it a blue line. I will wait here now. Let's go over to the other pairs. Yesterday you all did amazing, but today have been a little more difficult. I can see that. We will have days like this, but we are going to turn profit. Let's see how much time we have left of this live session. Yeah, well, we have 27 minutes left, so we still have good time to turn profit. Now let's see. The problem is that we don't have Binance. I hate that we don't have Binance Coin. Binance Coin is my favorite, and that one have 64%. That annoys the shit out of me because I love to see. Look this here. Look this. It's just amazing. I'm even considering just with a so bad because look this. It's amazing. Binance Coin is the best one. It's by far, but 64%. I put my limit at 70, so let's stay away from it. But yes, Binance Coin is my favorite, and it's sad we can't trade it. So let's just close it. Now let's go back to this one here. That is not good. How did it looks like for you yesterday, Craig? I know some of you did good, but what was your win rate yesterday? By the way, we are down here now again. He closed it here, that means he will continue downwards. So because we know with this one is a downwards trend, so he probably will just continue like that. So let's stay away from this one from now. Let's see if we can find something better. Dollar against Japanese yen. That one is trending upwards. Okay, that is not good either. I don't like trendy markets, not at all, because we know that he will not stay too long in each place. Okay, let's see if we can turn this day around for you. We still have time left, but we need something good. I'm looking for that now. Dollar against the Swiss francs, let's see. Here, that is a decent area. Let's see, I would say there I would take a trade. Let's make that one a green line. I did not even manage to put up the line before he broke everything. Okay, then let's stop here. Good, by the way. I was marking it up and may start to make my lines, but then he come down and make a lower low, and then you see lower, lower low, lower low. We can't trade that. So we need to. We like when you can have more stable lines, like you see here, for example. When you see something like this, we can't trade. Okay. And for the ones that know, I did a fun trade very long time ago with Forex. I just did the trade one direction just to test it. Let's take a look. I think it's in big minus, $71 in minus. So that was a trade I did back in July or June, July. So that was terrible. That's just to test it. I did a $1,000 trade, but just to see that Forex do work. I did this one live, by the way. So, but yeah, nothing important. Now, what can we say? I'm just skimming through this to see if I can find some more trades. Okay. I don't like when I see these big bars up here. I think at least we need to have it there. I'm considering. And I'm going for it. Let's see if you get up there again. I'll take it. That's it. And if I see him cross the bar, I will try to wait as long as I can to take the trade. Let's see. There. I think I got a quite good entry there. Now let's see. Let's wait 50 seconds and see how this will play out. So yeah. We are in and out of the money currently. He's really pushing hard on our line up there now. But I think my entry was pretty darn good. I did wait a little. I think I got it a little above the line, I believe. So now let's wait and see. The delay of the time I pushed the button was pretty darn good. So I think, like I said, my entry is a little above the line. So let's see. Currently, we are going in and out of the money, so I don't feel comfortable yet. You just have 10 seconds left. Come on now. If you get a win now, I'm back in the green. And I'm not going to snip my finger, but yes, we won. There, we got that one in. I will move my line up there. Put in $78. And I'm $34 in profit. Nothing to scream hooray for, but at least we are in the green. Now, let's see. Did anyone, by the way, take this trade? Let me know. And if you did you win like me? I think even if you got a bad entry, you should have won that one. My entry was a little above, but even if you're a little below, you should win it. That's good. I'm super happy for that. Let's turn it around. Now let's see. No, let's wait. Don't trade. Don't trade. This is a very bullish bar. If it closed the way it is now, let's wait and see. Just so we don't take trades here now, let's make this one blue. I want to see how this bar is closing. Because if this one closes very close up to the top, that's a very bullish bar, and that will maybe make a momentum, so he go up. I want to see this bar here first. I have made it blue now, so we don't take trades. Let's see. I want to see this bar close first. If we close something like this, completely fine, then we go for it. But I don't want to see any bar close above this area here either. So let's wait and see this bar first. Then if we close below where I have my mouse now, we will activate and put a red up there again. Let's wait and see. Let's just wait. Sometimes we need to have some patience also when you trade binary option. I know that we have much more action with binary option than we have with Forex, for example. But we also need to learn ourselves to have some patience. If you see something looks bad, wait and see what will happen first. There, we are good. Then we can activate it. Then we activate this bar. I just did not like this bar here. Yes, it's not a super bullish bar. Would be if he did this one close all the way on the top here, that will be super bullish. But when you see a long line below, it's always be careful. Like here, for example, this bar here, that's a perfect bullish bar. When you see something like this, you can expect him to go up from there. I can show you a bearish bar also, if you can see one here now. Let's see. A bearish bar. Let's see. Here, this is a bearish bar. You see we have a big line at the bottom and you close on top. No. Wait a little. No, I'm talking against myself here. I didn't understand that now. This is a bullish bar. This is a bearish. Did I see wrong here now? I need more. I need coffee. This is a bearish bar actually. Yeah. Oh wait. This is how it goes when I go without coffee. I start to try to be here teaching and I teach wrong. That is good. So yes, we had a bearish bar here. So yes, there we have it. I need coffee, but I don't have coffee today. I don't know what to do. Because I'm here early in the morning trading, and without coffee things don't work properly. But at least we still will see if we can make some profit here now. Okay. I think we can move away from this one now. Okay. This line at least are nothing. Maybe down here, let's zoom out and see if we have something. We see here was a strong area and also something here. So maybe this area can be good again. So there you see, you can't trust everything I'm saying without coffee, because then I start to talk rubbish also. But at least I did figure it out before I did go too far with it. So yes. So bearish bar. This is a bearish bar. Okay. Finalize that. Okay. Now let's see. We just need to wait for this one. Here we are trending like crazy. This recognized me. The one daily chart I had on dollar against Japanese yen, I was trading trading when I did my biggest mistake, when I had a short or something like this, something like here, that short, and I just kept on adding on it because I believed that it was going to go down. I never lost so much money in my life. Also now dollar Japanese yen pair. So if you want to trade forex, the most difficult pair you can trade is dollar against Japanese yen. Trust me on that one. It's super difficult to trade. Now let's see here. I start to like this area up here. Let's zoom out again. I think we can go for that. Let's move this line up here. Then we have a good resistant area up here. Let's turn that one a red color. Yeah, we do see we have a little trend upwards, so let's mark that also so we follow that. We need to have space for that trend. It's something like this, okay? So you see we are trending upwards, but we still have quite a good space. The reason I've marked this one up is because if we continue like this, we will come to what we call a squeeze. A squeeze means that this trend line will either push us up, or this resistant line will push us down. So we break this trend. So if you start to see we get too close here, we can't trade this resistance because maybe this trend line will push us up and break this resistance point. Yeah, RSI stochastic, that is a terrible combination, and it's super scary. Yeah. I don't remember, is you have one YouTuber, he loves his RSI. He's with forex trading, and it's just crazy what he's doing. It's like he's just double up, and if you do these things, yes, you can basically have a half year of huge profit. That's the reality actually. With you use martingale with forex, and you use RSI, you for example sell when you're up in 80, for example, right? You can make a huge profit super fast. You never have a losing trade, but then come the day you have made much money, you feel you're in the top of the world, right? Then one day out of this half year trading can erase all you have earned, and even what you did deposit at the start. That's the reality with martingale and RSI. So yes, you can make a lot of money for a very good time. Sometimes can go a half month, sometimes you can even go a half year and make money. But it will be this one trade, trust me on that, there will be one trade will erase everything you've done for half year and then some. That's what happened to me when I did this, because yes, I do trade with stop loss and take profit, but that time, for a very strange reason, I felt like, no, I need to move my stop loss. And I moved my stop loss, and I believe put in an extra entry instead. And then I refused to let that, I was like, no, of course it will go down. And I added, and I added, and I added, and the loss I got was so huge that I lost so much money on that trade that was devastating, basically. I lost a so huge amount of type of money that you can't even imagine how big it was. So that was the biggest loss in my history. I have never had a so big loss in any other form of trading, not in binary option, not nowhere else. So martingale, that is something I stay away from when it comes to trading on binary option and on forex. Never use martingale. Yes, you can see me sometimes when I'm trading. I start with $100. This I did, for example, yesterday. See here. I can sometimes, if I get, let's say I get 3 losses in a row, like Craig have done here in the start, then sometimes I go up to 200, but that's my limit. Then I do only 200 trades from there on, and I have a possibility, because I know my win rate, I know I can repair it, but I never go higher. if I continue losing, I don't go to 400, for example, I stick with 200. So that is one thing you will see me do sometimes in my live sessions, and this have turned it around many times for me. So, but never use martingale. That's the worst thing you can do. Now I'm talking a little too much. We are in the green, but not much. So I would like to see if we can get in at least a couple of more trades. Let's see the time. Yes, we have 10 minutes left, so let's see if we can get in some trades here now in the ending minutes. Okay, we start to form something here. Looks like he's going a little downwards. We see the trend here. So this one was higher, so let's take this one to blue so we don't have mistakes. Let's see here now where this one form itself. I think that's looks quite nice with the other ones. Let's see where this bar closes first before we consider. If this bar here now closes below this one here, we will activate it. Then I will move this line up to where the top is. So let's wait and see. Yeah, that's the thing. Martingale, that's the worst thing you can do, and if you see anyone is doing that, then yes, they will be profitable for a little while, but they will also lose basically everything. And I lost more than 70% of my account that day with Japanese yen. I think I was down to my last money actually, so that was a super devastating. So it did break me a little that day when I tried that. Because when you start to get a so big loss, you not only do you have the big loss, but you lost all the hard work you have done till that point. That is the worst thing. Because you wake up early, like I do, you trade, and if you martingale and you lose all the money that you have saved up and you have made it over a so long time, it's like you erase all the work you have done in the past. Yes, you get one thing from it. You get a learning experience, but it's a very costly learning experience, I will say. So never ever do martingale. I can't stress that enough. No, I did not like this, so let's move on. Let's see here. We are in a downwards trend like crazy, so maybe this area, it is making higher now, so I don't like that either. Would be nice to find something here now in the ending minutes or now. We are trending upwards, so maybe this maybe a buy would be good here. But then he's breaking that a little also because he'll make lower than these ones. So I don't see that either. Let's take another one. Okay. This area is quite interesting. But we do have a downwards trend here also that we need to be aware of. We see here. But I will take a trade down there now. Let's see if we get down there. We still have enough. We have room to move in. Let's see. I'm ready. Oh, not the best entry, I will say. Not the best, but let's see. Let's see. Okay, he's breaking a little down here now. Let's wait. Okay. Now if I'm going to take more trades, I will move my line down there. I think here is the new area. I forgot to make it green there. Now let's see. 28 seconds. So yeah, maybe we'll win here now. Let's see. He's testing the trend line. 20 more seconds. Okay. That's the thing with 1 minute trade. This 1 minute feels forever. I like the 30 seconds more. But let's see. Come on now. And I'll click my finger this time. And yes, we got it. $88. Sweet. Now we are up in $122. Win rate today, how it is? We had lost 2 trades and we have won 4. So 4 against 2, that is good in my book. And you won also. Amazing. Craig, did you win this one? Then if you won this one, you start to perfect. Then we're doing good. Amazing. I'm happy with that. We will take trades now on the green line down here now. Then tell me your win rate today. I think, if I remember correctly, I think, Craig, you are now 2 wins and you have 3 losses. Is that correct? Eternal, how is your win rate today? Let me know. Because I want everyone to make money, but today 1 win, 1 loss. Okay, so we basically just need to get 1 more win for you. And Craig, you are, yeah, okay. So let's see if we can get in 1 more trade. Let's see. Yes, we have 5 minutes left, so we can do that. If you get 1 more, then at least Eternal should be in profit, and you, Craig, should be in a small loss as our wins are smaller than our losses. If you get 2 more wins for you, Craig, you should be in profit. Okay, let's see. But now start being very tight, this one here. I'm not so sure is it smart to continue here, because we see that he need to break either direction here now. Typically when you see this, he will break up, and when he break up, he will go up to this area. So, but he also easily can break down. Depends on how strong this trend line is. But you see he's respecting the trend line quite good. Like it is possible to trade based on the trend line also. But here looks like he broke it. Depend on how this bar close, but I think he will not go upwards. Yeah. Then let's move on. Okay. Nothing here. Solana. Okay, this area up here looks quite nice. Let's take a line there. Let's wait and see. I'll take a reset chart view. Let's see. Yeah, there looks nice for me. I will turn this one into a red one. If you get a win here now, you should turn profit also Eternal, and Craig, you should be more or less in zero with a small loss at least. So let's see. I'm also following my time. We have just 3 minutes left, but let's see. We can still get it. So let's see. I will mark the end of the session here now. 1, 2, there. When we are done, we are done when we come to blue line. This will be the last one we check. So let's see. If you're meant to be, we will get 1 more trade up here and we will win. If not, at least I did turn a small profit today. I would prefer that you two had made money instead of me, but at least you two did quite good yesterday, so happy for that. And yes, today I promise there will be 1 more live session today in 4 hours. Today I will do it. Yesterday something came up, I had no way to do it, but today I promise it will be 1 more live session. So tune in then, and we will have a much fun trading there also. Now let's see. Looks like there will be no more trades today. So I will just start with my ending talk like I always do. If you're just now following here now and you're not trading, make sure you sign up with a broker. Start just with a demo account first. It's always good to start with a demo account till you see if you can follow the way I'm trading, okay? And then you can decide yourself if you want to go in with real money or not. That's completely up to you, okay? Other than that, make sure you like this video if not done so already. And I will be back again tomorrow trading on this broker, so make sure you tune in then. Also, I will trade a little later today in 4 hours, so if you want to follow that, make sure you do so. I think we can call that quits then. We are done for today. Thank you so much for Eternal to keep me company and Craig to keep me company. Makes my day, makes it much more easier to me to be trading when I can be replying and talking a little with you guys while I am trading. Makes time goes so much faster. If I was here trading and no one is writing in chat, this 1 hour feels forever. So it makes it much more cooler for me to be trading. So I hope both of you today, I promise, hope we can trade again together today in 4 hours time. So tune in then also. With that, have an amazing day and I'll see you all later.